Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make some M&M Candy Cookie Bars. These are perfect for the holidays, and these are perfect and easy and delicious for your family to enjoy. So if you want to see how I made them, just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is in a bowl add my flour, my baking soda, and my salt and mix until combined. I'm going to go ahead and set the bowl to the side, and in another bowl I'm going to add my butters and both my sugars and begin to cream the butter and sugars together. Okay, and don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowls, and then I'm going to add 1 egg at a time, and then I'm going to add my vanilla and begin to combine that as well. Now I'm going to add that flour mixture that I mixed earlier and begin to fold that in. And then once that's done, I'm going to add my chocolate chips. I'm going to add my holiday M&Ms, and then I'm going to add my chopped chocolate bar into that, fold it in, and begin to get ready to put it in my baking dish. Okay, so I already lined my 9x13 baking dish with parchment paper. This makes everything easier to pull out once the bars are done. And then I just scoop the cookie dough into this pan and begin to flatten it out with my spatula. Now I'm going to add the remaining chocolate chips that I set to the side and some more holiday M&Ms on top, press it down into the dough. And then I'm going to bake this in the ovens that's set at 325 degrees. And I'm going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. Look how good these look, guys. I'm going to let everything cool completely, and then I'm going to take and lift the parchment paper out of the pan so that I can cut these into squares easily. But guys, these were a hit in my family. Everybody loved them, and I know your family will love it too. So please give this recipe a try. You won't regret it. And then drop in the comments below if you love a certain type of holiday treat around this time, or if you're willing to try this, let me know in the comments below. And always, if you're not subscribed and you want more cooking contents, or this is a vibe, consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. May you guys enjoy the rest of your holiday season. Be safe and be blessed, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.